Okay, next.
Mama, gonna take
Yeah.
on the platform. I have bad penmanship, sir, so bear with me. Kanya po ang sa nagpapa. I write like my father, bad penmanship. Very bad.
Say it's your father.
But it's so nice. Right next door.
Nakuha mo na siya ng picture?
Wala pa. Kuya, sir. Picture eh.
Okay. Okay.
Wala na.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next. Okay, wait. Ito lang po. Siya na muna. 1, 2. Are you going to join? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next.
Lucky charm here.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, next.
O yan yung ano, kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-ilamos.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next.
Dito mapicture tayo.
Next.
Gusto na kasi, ano, attorney sa
Oh, mag-picture ka na. Go.
Ito kasi yung,
1.
ano,
di ba? Dala ko talaga ito.
Okay.
nakita ni tatay ko yung billboard.
1,
Ma'am.
2, 3, go. Okay. Next.
Salamat.
Yung family. There's a family na may baby. Nasaan na yung family na may baby? Ayun.
Ikaw ha, nandito ka naman.
Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Yung family na may baby. Tama. Okay. Nasa iyo pang baby. Di ba dalawang baby yan? Wait. Ayaw. Sana siya? Nasaan na siya? Isa pang, nasa ng tata eh. Ayan na, 1. Ayan na, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Smile, baby. Smile. Baby. Ayan, baby. Ayan, hindi tumitingin sa baby. Sayang. Okay, next. Your camera. O na yan.
Attorney, ako wala pa isli o pera.
Siyempre, first timer.
Ano?
Okay.
Ano po, ma'am?
Okay, go.
Jessica, kaya pa?
Yan ang Miss Universe ng pig.
Wow. Oo, halata.
August 15. Ito naman ang Muse. Amin na.
Ang news ng bayan.
Anong picture?
Giselle Carcueva. Hi, Giselle Carcueva. Happy birthday to you. God bless you always. Take care, stay safe, and happy. See you soon.
Okay. Agreed. Last night, then group picture, ha? And then group picture. Tapos na, di ba?
Alvin!
Okay.
Happy birthday to you, Alvin. I would like to thank you for the unwavering love and support you have shown my father, PRRT. I wish you the best. I wish you good health, prosperous life. I wish you success, and stay happy and healthy. He's doing well. I brought him lots of snacks today, including this. He likes cheese, so I brought him. It was like a pancake or a cookie, and then the same this one, the Doritos, and what was the other one? The waffles, the caramel waffles. So I brought him a number of snacks today, along with a couple of beverages to choose from. I brought him Gatorade and green tea, but he then requested for Coke Zero again. So, syempre, kailangan masaya siya, so I had to give it to him. Pero I told him na it should be his last can for the day because he already had it for brunch. So, we came to an agreement. Sige, last na to today. Bukas na naman. When I first arrived, I gave him a brief summary lang of the current events right now, and then we quickly shifted to family matters. And then as we were talking about family matters, the medical officer came in. she was just asking a few questions about my father's hobbies in the past, and I mentioned golf, tennis, biring, riding motorcycles, and then she asked about his favorite music because as we all know, music helps stimulate the mind, and inside it gets lonely, it gets distressing, especially when you're alone. So um, ayun, I gave her a list of his favorite artists, si Andrea Bocelli, Sarah Brightman, and all the plays we used to watch. I mentioned Les Miserables and the other one, Phantom of the Opera. Yun yung favorite niya. So, I told the medical officer so that they could help him doon sa loob para he could listen to it again. And medyo ma-relax yung mind niya. Kasi syempre, kahit sino naman, na nandun sa loob, siguro, anuhan talaga ng emotional, mental, physical distress. So, ayun, for sure, the music will help with his feelings of,
Sa current affairs po, meron siyang mga reaction sa mga nabalita.
ang pinag-usapan ko naman yung anomaly sa flood control budget. And then, ayun, ano lang siya, tumawa lang siya. Tinanong, he asked if was this the problem nung president ako? Sabi ko, hindi. You were a good one. You were an excellent one. So, ayun. Tumawa lang siya, then he quickly shifted na to the family matters. He was looking for my mother again. And kasi akala niya, he thought that I'm alone here. But I said, no, my mother's just waiting there because you know the situation already. And kasi he was asking if I roam the streets alone here. I said, no, don't worry, I'm not alone. Tapos he told the medical officer na she cannot be alone because she's 16 years old. Sabi, no, I'm 21 years old na. So, ayun, tapos, and then he shifted the topic again to my sister, VP. But and then he said, but my eldest girl, the vice president, she's a tough one. So she can be alone all the time. And then he mentioned my sister's encounter with the sheriff a few years back to the medical officer, and we just laughed about it. And yeah, he was talking very fondly about her. So ayun. And then again to Mira, he was asking questions. I just keep reassuring him that the family is doing okay, we're doing well, we're all healthy, and we're safe. Because of course, I don't want to add to his worries inside. So, well, totoo naman, we're doing fine. We're not in the best situation given of all of the events that happened, but we're okay. And as long as we're okay, ang sabi niya, as long as the family is okay, he's okay. So,
Okay, dahil
ngayon
request
kasi,
naman niya. Oo.
hindi na ako nakapaghilamos kaya
Yeah.
I was feeling under the weather when I woke up. So, I woke up exactly 30 minutes before the visit. 1:30 yung visit. I woke up 1. So, I just grabbed my bag, put on the coat, and then I had to leave na. So,
So,
One question.
can we reserve na lang for Monday, ha?
we will reserve for Monday.
Oo. Yung mga first-timers lang, pwede ba? Very quickly, ganito ha. In, out there. Okay, first-timers, please. Sino designated photographer?
Ako na.
Sige, sige. Meron na ba ang designated photographer?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ikaw na lang designated. Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, one. Sino? One. Okay, okay. Okay, one. Sige, one, two, three. Okay, next, next. Next, next. Okay, one, two, three, go.
Yes.
Next, next. Okay, next, next. Nako. One, two. Next, next, next. Camera nyo, camera nyo. Camera nyo. One, two, three.
Ano muna natin sila?
Ay, oo, siya. Wait. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Naalala kita, ma'am. Hello.
Oo nga.
Oo, naalala.
Okay, go, go. Saan ang camera mo? One, two, three, go. Okay, next, next. Next, next kayo. Next.
Thank you, ma'am. Salamat. Thank you, sir.
Next, next.
Take care of your
Next,
wife,
next.
sir. Oh, my
Okay, go, go.
Always pretty pretty.
One, two, three, go. Ma'am, ma'am. Next, 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 next. Wait, wait, wait. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay, next.
Yan lang din.
Okay, one,
10 minutes
three,
straight.
go. Okay, next.
Mamay, can I take
Yeah.
on the plate? I have bad penmanship, sir, so bear with me. I write like my father, bad penmanship. Very bad.
Say it's your father.
But it's so nice. Right? Like, and,
Nakuha mo na siya ng picture?
wala pa. Sir.
Okay. Okay.
Wala na.
One, two, three, go. Okay, next. Okay, wait. Ito lang po. Siya na muna. One, two. Are you going to join? One, two, three, go. Okay, next. One, two, three, go. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, next.
O yan yung ano, kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-ilamos.
One, two, three, go. Okay, next.
Dito ma-picture tayo.
Next.
Gusto na kasi, attorney sa,
Oh, mag-picture ka na. Go.
Ito kasi yung,
One.
ano,
di ba? Dala ko talaga ito.
Okay.
nakita ni tatay ko yung billboard.
One,
Ma'am.
two, three, go. Okay. Next.
Salamat.
Yung family. There's a family na may baby. Nasaan na yung family na may baby? Ayun.
Ikaw ha, nandito ka naman.
Okay na. One, two, three, go. Okay. Yung family na may baby. Okay. Nasa iyo pang baby. Di ba dalawang baby ha? Wait. Ayaw. Sana siya? Nasaan na siya? Isa pang, nasa ng tata eh. Ayan na, one. Ayan na, go. One, two, three, go. Ayan. Smile, baby. Smile. Baby. Ayan, baby. Ayan, hindi tumitingin si baby. Sayang. Okay, next. Your camera. O na yan.
Attorney, ako wala pang isli opera.
Siyempre, first timer. Okay.
Ano po, ma'am?
Okay, tayo, go.
Kaya pa?
Yan ang Miss Universe ng pig.
Oo, halata.
August 15. Ito naman ang Muse. Amin na.
Ang news ng bayan.
Anong picture?
Giselle Carcueva. Hi, Giselle Carcueva.